Okay, here's a little of my story. I'm a uterine cancer survivor, a disease 100% linked to out-of-balance food and lifestyle. Before my cancer, my soulmates were dairy, wheat, and sugar, cancer's favorite foods. The first year of my recovery was kick butt. I ate all organic fresh pressed juices and raw vegan foods. But once I was cancer-free, I transitioned to an 80-20 diet. 80% raw foods and about 20% cooked. My big flavored vegan open-faced chicken salad sandwich made with chickpeas is one of those recipes that demos perfectly how this way of eating works. Raging with taste and easy to make. So let's jump right in. So I've been working on this can of chickpeas, and I would like to flatten them out with a fork because I want the beans to be a little rough. Like, we don't want to put them in a processor and have them be like a pate. We want it, to have a little bite to it when we eat it. So I'm working those. I want to get it like this. Mostly all the beans are, have been squashed, but not. They still have a little bean to them, a little bean. Okay, so I got that done. It's good. Okay, so we don't even need a machine for this dish. Most of it is just adding spices. So let's see, I got some red onion. I'm gonna cut that into small pieces. I'll do a little on the chunky side, but not too much, because we don't want to overwhelm the dish. Okay, so go over here. Take it, put that in there. Okay, and then we got a little garlic powder. Organic, always organic. And I got a little turmeric because we want to add that kind of yellow-orange look that egg salad has. And of course, chickpeas don't have it, so we're going to have to add it. So I have probably about a teaspoon here. I'm going to add that because chickpeas don't have a lot of flavor of their own. So we're going to really definitely have to add that. Put the top on. And I also got a little bit of onion here, so I'm just trying to get this little bit so we don't waste anything. And then I got a little sea salt. But let's see, we're going to put a teaspoon of that into. Not too much. We don't want to overwhelm. And then I love my Korean red pepper. So I got some Korean red pepper. Get a teaspoon of that in. And this is really building into something beautiful. What do you see? I'm going to show it to you. All the wonderful colors. Look at that. Ooh, that is really, really nice. Okay, so we got a little Dijon mustard. Again, this is organic Dijon mustard. We're going to put a little plop in there, maybe 2 plops. There we go. Let's see how that goes. And then I want to put some lemon in. Some nice squoze lemon. I got my Myers lemon. And I'm going to put that over the top here. And I don't want to get these seeds in. I'm just going to give it a little twist here, enough to add lemon, but again, we don't want to overwhelm. Alrighty, I'm going to give it just a little mix. And then here's the amazing part. I have this wonderful homemade mayo, vegan mayo. And I'm going to put some of it in. I'm going to put a good 3 plops, I'm going to call it. And 3. There we go. Woo! This looks so good. Okay. Give that a stir. This is really turning out nice. Alrighty. And here's what we're getting. This is lovely, right? Let me give it a taste and see if I have enough spices in it. So we definitely want it to have a little zap, but not too much. Oh yeah. That vegan mayo makes it. Oh, it's so good. Okay. So I have some lovely bib lettuce over here. And I'm going to take off a leaf. And I'm going to tuck in some of my vegan chicken salad, just like this. We got it going. And then I'm going to put a little avo on top of that. You can see this is just so easy. Just a little bit. There we go. Okay. I'm going to give it a taste. Yum, yum. Ooh, look at this. Oh, okay. Ready? Oh. Oh. It's hard to believe life can be this delicious. This is so yummy. So, I want to give it another bite. We'll see if I can get it in there. Oh yeah, perfect. Absolutely perfect. So there we did it. We made the vegan chicken salad sandwich. Here it is, open-faced chicken salad sandwich. If you have found this useful, I'm still trying to chew and talk to you. If you found this useful, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and join me next time. Okay, great.